1 second. That's all it takes for everything to change. A small mistake, a little distraction, and life turns into chaos. These aren't just random crashes. They're real moments where families shattered, dreams ended, and luck decided who survived. Every clip you'll see carries a warning, a truth we often ignore. So stay sharp, learn from every second, and if you value life the way we do, hit subscribe and never miss what really matters. Number 14. Sometimes people walk straight into their own disaster. Look at this driver. The track was clearly closing. Everyone was slowing down, but he just had to push through. No way forward, no way back. It's like fate dragged him to the one place he could never escape from. And what happened next was exactly what was meant to be. Number 13. Sometimes being too smart gets you killed. This guy thought he could switch lanes, save a few seconds, but what he didn't know was that death was waiting up ahead. A single wrong decision, and his whole story ended right there. Number 12. This driver was doomed from the start. He was flying down the racetrack like he owned it, but arrogance meets its end fast. 1 second he's in control, the next he's in pieces. Maybe the brakes failed, maybe the steering locked, but honestly, it felt like fate just cut the wires that day. Number 11. Now this one's tricky. Whose fault was it really? The black car or the other driver? Both were at the same speed, same line, but fate plays its own game. Sometimes, even when you do everything right, life finds a way to hit you head on. Tell me what you think. Who's to blame here? Number 10. The guy in the white hoodie, man, that's what you call a second life. Death literally brushed past him, and yet somehow he walked away untouched. The cars are gone, metal twisted, chaos everywhere, but he's breathing. Sometimes God really does grab your hand at the last moment. Number 9. Now look at this truck driver. The height of the bridge was written right there, clear as day, but he still went for it, like he could outsmart physics itself. And what happened? Pure destruction. The top ripped open, everything shattered. One small act of carelessness, and everything he owned turned to dust. Number 7. This blue truck driver, lucky doesn't even begin to cover it. He jumped out just in time, a few seconds later, and he'd be a headline. But deep down, you can tell the mistake was his. He drove where he never should have, and luck just happened to save him from his own stupidity. Number 7. Feels like this whole video belongs to the lucky ones. 2 guys, inches away from death, and they somehow walk away. That traffic light was falling straight at them, but it stopped right there. Sometimes time itself freezes, just to let you live another day. Number 6. The shop owners survived, but their livelihood didn't. Everything they worked for, gone in seconds. One careless driver, one stupid mistake, and families are left staring at the ashes of their hard work. Number 5. This whole group made it out alive today. Otherwise, they'd be in a hospital, or worse, at a funeral. Fate gave them a second chance, but I just hope the driver survived too. Life's strange like that. Sometimes it pulls you out of death's grip just to remind you it's still watching. Number 4. This truck driver, bro, was racing with death itself. He was in such a rush, he wrecked an entire line of cars behind him. One reckless move, and dozens of lives were thrown into chaos. Speed doesn't make you strong, it just makes you stupid faster. Number 3. Sometimes following the rules isn't enough. These two drivers were doing everything right. Steady speed, clear lane, but the one coming from the other side? He didn't care about rules, or maybe his brakes failed. Whatever it was, one man's failure became another's tragedy. That's how cruel the road can be. Number 2. I told you, this video's all about the lucky ones. The dashcam car survived, sure, but look at that vehicle flying through the air. You don't see crashes like this even in movies. God help the person in that car, because looking at it, the chances of survival. And finally, number 1. This last clip. A small car, straight into a fuel tanker. Gas spills out, fire bursts everywhere. A few seconds later, the whole place could have exploded. Sometimes, between life and death, there's just one single breath. And today, that one breath saved an entire neighborhood. That's it, today's video ends here. If you liked it, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you videos like this every single day. Till then, take care of yourself, your family, and your car. Drive safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next one.